So I have a very optimistic view that I think AI is going to replace the Schlep in our jobs and it just help us do more. Sort of like as the founder, that first person that you hire and you're like, I've got these like 38 things that I'm not getting done and I'll hire this person. My first hire was Jerry. And I was like, Jerry, can you do these 8 things? And like suddenly Jerry did those 8 things and God, my life is so much better. I didn't do less work. I just did higher level work. And I kind of feel like AI is coming for that like job that would go to Jerry, but I'm still going to hire Jerry. Jerry's just going to do higher level stuff. Jerry's going to be able to do more. And so when you have humans that are more capable, yes, absolutely. Some industries are going to get disrupted when factories go fully automated. Factory workers will lose their job. When semi trucks can drive themselves, truck drivers could lose their jobs. And it's like, I don't think that's a bad thing. And I don't mean that I'm happy that truck drivers are losing their jobs. I think it's a hard job.
It's a hard job. Yeah.
One of my grandfathers was a truck driver and it's an extremely hard life and you don't make a crazy amount of money. And what you're asked to do is a very challenging job. And you think about like all the human time that my papa wasted not wasted on the road, but like wasted his potential. He was a very smart guy and like he was driving a truck. And like, what if he was able to, work with an LLM and do something? Or what if he was able to be enabled by kind of this Iron Man suit that would have helped him do more interesting work? And I think I think AI in the whole will be a net benefit to society. I think as the balls in the ball pits shift around, I kind of think of AI as like a kid or like 10 kids jumping around in one of those ball pits at McDonald's. There's going to be a lot of disruption. There's got to be a lot of jobs that get displaced. But I think on the net, we're going to be up in terms of like, we'll have the same number of humans. We're just going to solve more problems, right? Like think of the last time you were in a product prioritization meeting with your engineering team and you're like, I want to build these 38 things. And they're like, cool, we can build 2. And you're like, next time you'll be able to build 10. We're not going to do less. We're not going to turn into Wall-E just drinking our milkshakes and like floating around in space.